What is going on, world? It's your boy Carbonate. Welcome to Epic Whipz, mate. And today we're gonna be putting on these brake rotors and brake pads on the 8, mate. Of course, mate. It's the build, mate. So we're gonna be taking these rotors and these brake pads off. We're gonna be taking these off, changing them out with the new ones. Should be fairly simple. It shouldn't be too difficult. So let's get to it. So these are the new brake rotors, Stoptech, drilled and slotted. Looks pretty nice. Let's get some sunlight on this one. I don't even want to look at that one. All right. Very nice. Very nice. Hey, look what we got here. Nice little sticker, mate. Every one of them has a sticker. Look at that. Alright. So, also, what's good about these, they actually came with these. It's pretty good, the hardware. So I can actually put the new hardware on there. So, let's get to it. So, first thing that we're gonna be doing, we gotta take off this. And to do that, pretty much gotta take off, let's get hot here. We gotta take this off, and this one I believe. Take those two off. So, got the rotor up, got the brake pad off. This one actually has a good amount on it, surprisingly. Back one's not as good. So, anyways. Not while we're here, mate. Put the new one on. But in order to do that, we have to take these off. These 17s. Can you see? These 17s. So take them off. This one and this one. That way we can actually take this bracket off. So got the bracket off. So easy, it's pretty simple. The 17, oh my god, I can't believe that fell off. The next thing you want to do is take off these screws. Now, yeah, I'm not too happy with that. And the other one, I'm actually surprised I got this one off too. So actually, it's way better than that one, but I was so scared, but luckily the last owner, we didn't even have this thing screwed on, really. So definitely I'll have to get getting some new ones. Actually, I don't even think, I'm not 100% sure. I don't even know if I need them, but thank God I was able to get things off. I looked at it and I was like, I don't know. So now you're asking yourself, the hardest question again is the Okay, that was a hard part to get this off, but apparently it's not even seized on that much. But if yours was, unlike mine, and it was seized on there, it was very hard to come off. This right here is, I don't even know the size of it, but you screw it both in there and actually presses against that to push the rotor off. So it's easier, so it can just pop off. So if yours is seized on there, screw something into there, pop it off. And screw these, screw something into there. Cool? Cool. I can't believe that just came off like that. Wow, I need 2 hands, hold on. So, yeah, took that off. So, before you want to put anything on, you want to work on this. You got to be very delicate because of this line right here. This delicate line, not too delicate, but you don't want to like kink it up and stuff like that. But we have to pretty much, oh my god, you have to pretty much push this down. And to do that, what we're gonna be using is this right here, and try this old brake rotor. Put it on there so we can squeeze it down so we can get the new brake pads in there. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's see if I can do it on the fly. See how flat that is now? Perfect. Put that back. Now, you want to take a look at it to see how it looks. Pretty much the things on the ends, you want them to stick out. You don't want them to go in the middle whatsoever. So make sure the middle ones there's nothing there. It's flat pretty much on both sides, you can say. So we run into a little bit of a problem here, mates. Now, here's the problem. I'm gonna show you these. So obviously, bracket. So obviously, this is the bracket, right? And this right here is supposed to be able to go in and out. It's not. It's literally not going in and out. Oh, man, I don't even touch it because I got some WD-40 on it. So I'm lubricating it now. I'm using literally my impact wrench to twist them and turn them and push them in and out. So while those is, staying relaxing and that lubrication in, started working on the rear and I got everything off. Pretty much, let me show you. So obviously it's the same thing, same kind of concept. This one here, and this one here. Same kind of concept. Pretty much takes this off, and then you have this bolt back here. I believe all these are like 14, so bolt back here, and the other one, you'll see where the other one is. It's pretty much simple. Look at it and you'll see where the other one is. Just remember, because I totally forgot, to make sure your handbrake is off. Because if it's not, you're literally, your rotor and your brake pads are seized up. It's not going to move whatsoever. And I was like, what the hell is going on? And I was like, handbrake. You know, so don't forget that. So we got everything off. This was the only one that was actually seized on here. And I could not find a screw pattern that fits that rotor to push it off. So we use the old trusty hammer. Bang, bang. Alright, so got that off. Now, as the front over there, trying to lubricate even more. See, it's so crazy. You just gotta work at it. You just gotta keep working at it. Twisting, turning up and down, and in and out, and stuff like that, so it can be good. So the rears are actually fine. So let me show you. The rear is actually fine. So what I'm going to be doing is start on the rears. So yeah, we can put this on. Actually, maybe we can put these on first. Let me see something. I can't put it on because I need the bloody road pad, mate. Baby skin road here, like the most important fucking part. Oh, fantastic! My battery died on the gimbal. Man, what a day it's been. So my impact wrench, impact power, whatever you want to call it. Battery went out, so I had to get that charged up. My gimbal died, had to get that charged up. Then this right here, I cannot push it in, or I don't have the tool to do it, to push it in. And the tool that I did get from AutoZone, yeah, from AutoZone, wasn't working out. It is what it is. But what we'd end up doing is going to O'Reilly's and renting out this, which is what we need to get the job done, mate. I'm thinking about using this one. Bam, bam, bam. Squeeze it in and push, squeeze it in and push. It should push it in. Literally, that's what's holding me back. Literally, that's been driving me crazy. Once we do that, it'll be seamless. Everything back on. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, so pretty much I'm gonna be using this to lube these up, put it back in here so it can be nice and lubricated. I'm not gonna record that because I need both hands to do that. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Alright, we did it, ladies and gents. We got it on. Everything is copacetic, on, brand new. I'm getting bit up by mosquitoes. Right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this garage. I'm actually gonna put these wheels back on, drop the vehicle, and look at the suspension. We did it all 4 done. These are the old ones. Now, the pads wasn't that bad. Don't get me wrong, the pads wasn't that bad, but it was that a slave cylinder thing that wasn't moving, and that's why the pads was getting like heat up sideways and stuff. Like, I'm getting, but I had to bang one out. Look at that. Bang that bad boy out, baby. Alright, so close this garage, put the wheels on, see what it looked like, and yeah, let's go. Good job.